this, eh? Maybe? Spider? Let's see. Open that. How about this? Oh, look at that, eh? Does that smell good? Is there something for you in there, eh? Yes, Spider knows there's something for him in there. And Lugosi does as well. Nelly? Nelly? Get the camera here. Spider's going all nippy. Cat nippy. Nelly? Okay, I'm going to get out what's in there now, yeah? Okay. Right, what have we got? Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. I haven't even unwrapped it. Hang on, give Nelly one as well. Nelly, come here. Nelly in the background. Look at them. Look at them. I haven't even unwrapped these things yet. That's good. They smell good, don't they? Nelly's having a go at the back there as well now. Okay, God, what's going to happen when I take these out of the bag? Here. Oh, real stuff. There's one for you. Lugosi, here's one for you. I'm going to unwrap this later. Here's yours first. Nelly, come here. I'm going to get this out of the bag for you as well. Oh, Spider, look. I know you want more. Nelly. She's scared of Lugosi, that's why. She's not coming closer. Here you go. Look, you go more. What's this? Honeysuckle filled. There you go. And my friends from the United States sending me stuff to get my cats high. Look at them go. Nelly at the back as well. Spider likes the bag, apparently. Yeah? Well, you silly git. Oh dear. Spider, what are you doing with the bag? Huh? Lugosi, what are you doing? They're more happy with the bags. I can't believe it. There's all these toys here. Yeah. And Lugosi's got the bag, and Spider over there's got the bag as well. You've got mental. Look at him go mad. What are you on? I mean, I know what you're on. Millie. You're too scared, aren't you? Huh? Oh, you've drooled all over there already. Oh, that's yours, isn't it? Give me back this. Ah, there. Oh. That's cute.